Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download Revolut application on your Android phone. So keep watching the video till the end and follow through the steps. First of all, open your Play Store. In the search box appearing at the top, type in Revolut and search. Look for this application in the search results and tap on the install button. The application now will begin downloading. Wait for the application to download and install, which will take several minutes, and then tap on the open button to open the app. And there you have successfully downloaded the Revolut application on your Android phone in a few simple steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.